Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're looking at Celestia again. I did cover it I think on June 15th or something like that. The ticker is TIA and it is never a good time to be the holder of TIA token. As you can see here, it has been continuously performing really bad. As you can see, back in December it was at 8.85 dollar, and as of now it's at 1.7. And if we look at the market cap was at like 3.9, and in this season it actually only went as high as 1.5 billion. So there is a clear there is clearly the demand for the TIA token has gone down significantly, and it's down from, if you look at from the December, this is it's down the price basically crashed like 82%, so which is a lot, I would say. Now there are a lot of things that impact this kind of price action. Of course, the first one would be the demand going down, and the second one would be that the supply has just increased and there are just monthly unlocks that are impacting the coin. And recently Polychain, one of their early backers, basically sold the remaining tokens. Around 62.5 million TIA is staked, as you can see here, to the foundation. So this happened back when the token was at 1.86, as you can see here. It happened on I found this news, the date of this news is like July 24th. So Polychain basically ended up selling the token about 1.44 per TIA token. So I think as of now that is the most likely support. If it goes down, that is going to be the most likely support that it will most likely go up from, because that is where we had the recent big sale. So I think that is most likely where the support resides as of now. This happened because of the upcoming update to Celestia staking. So basically what they are doing, we'll just look at it here, where, so put simply, a vesting wallet with 50% of the tokens still locked will only be able to claim around 50% of the staking rewards from those tokens. For accounts with a delayed vesting, both the locked tokens and the staking rewards will remain locked until the unlocked date. So I think this has to do with these token locks. As you can see here, as of now the investors are getting if we look at the early backers, they have received like 133 million tokens, TIA tokens, and this is happening on a monthly basis. So they are getting like 9 million tokens as of now on a monthly basis, and that will continue to happen till October of 2025, as you can see here. After that we have more, we have another early backers, as you can see. So we have early backers seed and we have early backers series A and B. So series A and B gets like 11 million and the early backers gets like 9 million, and this they will continue to get the tokens till October of 2025. And I think once these tokens are given to both of these parties, I think that is when TIA token should start to see some relief, because they have been getting these tokens from October of 2024. And if we just look here, that is when the price of this coin basically start to go down. So it actually ended up hitting at $9, and after that there has been a massive sell off and the price crashed like 84%. Now I think overall TIA token is moving to a pretty good point, and after October or even after November, of course there will be core contributors, they will still be getting some coins, so that could add some additional sell pressure, but I don't think that is going to matter because the price has crashed like this much, and it should see some relief from October, I think. At least that's what I think. Now if we talk about if we talk about its supply, its initial supply was around 1 billion, and it does have inflation. So as of now, if we look at its inflation, it's at 5%, as you can see here. And as of now, the if we look at the total supply is around 1.14 billion, and it will continue to increase because it is an inflationary token. And as of now, there are around 47.5% of the tokens are bounded or the staked. So overall, I think TIA token should start to see some relief after October or even after September, because most of the investors most likely sold their tokens. So I think that's pretty good for the TIA for the long term as of now, I think, because the token is not doing that well if we look at it from December. Now, as of now, they do have this update. I'm not sure when that will happen, but I think after the update it should start to do really well, or from you can say from September or October. So as of now, I think the price could actually again go down, because if we look at this downtrend that is happening since December, I think this downtrend is just too steep. So if it breaks above this downtrend, so let's say that they announce some kind of news, or even the upcoming upgrade brings a hype to the token, and if it does breaks above this downtrend that it has been ever since December, I think it should start to go at least as high as 2.2. If not, I think there's a possibility that it can go as high as $30, because this is a really strong supply zone if it does goes up. So I think as of now there is a pretty good chance if it breaks above this downtrend, I think it can go as high as 3.6 or 3.8. That is a possibility, but for that it does need to break above this downtrend that it has been ever since December. Now, if we just look at its demand in the past, it has had a pretty high demand. As you can see here, the market cap was basically around 4 billion, and its lowest market cap has been around 1 billion. As of now, it's at 1.2. So I think if it does goes down, I think there's a pretty good chance that it will most likely bounce back from $1.44, because that is also the recently sell price of the token that the foundation bought. So that should be also a pretty good support zone as well. And if the market does go down, I think even more, I think the TIA token could be a pretty good buy around $1.4, or even below 1.4, like around 1.3. So I think this whole zone should be a pretty good entry point for this coin, because especially now that we won't have that much sell pressure from these investors. So I think overall, as of now at least, I think TIA is looking really good, at least from my perspective. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.